Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can screen record on an Android Samsung phone. So if you scroll down from the top, on my phone I'm going to use 2 fingers, and then I'm going to go to the right hand side. You'll find an icon somewhere that says screen recorder. It's just here on this phone on the bottom left, and then I'm going to tap that and you're going to be brought up with different options. So for example, you can have it just media, or you can have it media and mic. Maybe you want to do a how-to video and you want to record your voice, so we're going to go to that. And now you can also show taps and touches, so it will show on the screen where you tap, but I'm going to just leave it like that now, and I'm going to go to start recording. It's going to count me down, and now it's going to record my voice and what's happening on the screen. So you can see I'm scrolling here, then when I'm finished I'm going to tap stop up here, and it says recording saved. Now if we want to find that, I'm going to go into files, and you can see it's just here, my voice and what's happening on the screen. So you can see I'm scrolling here, then when I'm finished I'm going to tap. There you go, so you can see that's really nice and easy. Now there is more settings as well, so again 2 fingers down from the top, let's go to screen recorder. If we were to hold the button down for a couple of seconds, you can see now it brings up this here, and it gives you various different options like the format, show taps and touches, selfie video size. So you can have a look around here, have a play around with the settings for the video you want to make. So it's a nice, quick, easy way of doing it. Thanks for watching.